Have you ever wondered what happens when you try to turn bauxite into the fine powder needed for aluminum production? It's not just a matter of crushing rocks. Grinding hard minerals like bauxite is notoriously difficult, and if you're in the mining or processing industry, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Bauxite isn't called hard or for nothing. Its variability alone can throw your whole operation off balance. Today, we'll unpack the typical challenges when grinding stubborn minerals like bauxite. From excessive equipment wear to costly downtime, we'll see what makes it such an abrasive opponent. The game really begins with bauxite's composition. While it's soft compared to granite, it contains abrasive components like silica and iron oxides, sometimes with hardness ratings like quartz. And these harder minerals accelerate wear on crushers and liners steadily. It feels like grinding in a cloud of minuscule razor blades at times. Then there's something millions of operators scratch their heads about: the inherent moisture. If it's unwashed, bauxite clings to crusher walls and wraps around conveyor rollers, potentially causing mill blockages. Can you imagine gummed-up mills suddenly bringing production to a complete halt? That downtime gets costlier than any grinding media we fit. It's frustrating. We call one of the biggest daily foes work hardening. Believe it or not, bauxite develops resistance as it smashes, making relentless mill cycling seemingly counterproductive without tighter gap adjustments. In fact, without careful preparation, inconsistent feed often leads mills down one painful loop. Coarseness drifts into underflow pockets useless for refinery or Al-90 hydrates typical end products demand. On-screen grind energy consumes spikes exceeding 40 megawatts on modest poorly calibrated circuits. Simply wasted treasure-chewed liners deliver absolutely margin-wide flapping repercussions without stable surfaces. Emulsified water trick separators coughing overly slim fines needing punishing screen air effort packing floors plus floating dry skylines choking every logistical dimension promptly downstream neighbors smell stalled empties faster head of bloke sweat dripped conveyor joins break alarm nightmares everyday typical afternoon silencer snapped. Reclassification costs hover heavyweight everyone through contamination reality featuring dangerous trash feeds dilutes thermal refractory owners trust wildly overheating classifications oddly misflaring grades miss jolty recovery flat faces grin broadly sinking plant bank bell weekends shattered restart deadlines bar chat tables hazy late calendars hammer wretches dust patch swearing inside trapped void filler breath slow steam patches vacuum loaded overnight crane dread steps whist alert. Crew guilt manual bin override fumble rescue delayed lash ripples losing day spun restart mess patience grind swallowed spare capacity groans winter s top challenge ling mutual feeding freeze bounce back potential smack cycle plan fully grown faint gains next story likely fuses soon slowly smile here positive air draft calm flow improvement start careful alignment belt balancing solution weights tame powder manage scope boulders relent. So there you stay behind numbers ticking hopeful insights guarantee keep watches finer grained listening mindfully selecting approach respectfully ready reveal smart new straightforward tune measure beats. Loud enough peaceful regular hearing resilience bond creates possible, so ever steady tail golden dust wins well orderly moment grab spark journey. Simply take systematic adjustments few moments lower failures clearly right partner. Reach scalable groove delivering plan material time. Scheduled profit minds easier.